はい、皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか今日も。Hello everyone, how are you today? So let's finish ひらがな、カタカナ, everything. Okay? Then you can write down many sentences. You can join speaking more easily and memorize ひらがな、カタカナ. So today is カタカナ、まみむめも. Okay? So sometimes when you get bored and try to go A1 speaking or maybe A2 kanji also we have, so if you feel let's try something different things, try different video also. Okay, so mami mume mo, let's go. Ma, 1 2 1 2 1 2. So do you remember this is a, this is ma. Similar, different. Okay? Be careful. 気をつけてください。Be careful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? This is me, mu. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So, me, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So the last one, mo, is hiragana mo. But the difference is here. Hiragana mo was like this. Here you threw everything. Here, we don't pass the first line. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's see the vocabulary. カタカナ food name, foreign food name, city name, and city name, country name. Okay? So here, Malaysia is a country, Southeast Asia, Malaysia. Malaysia. Oh, I didn't write down. Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia. Here, Munich. Okay, in Germany. München. Sorry. That's together. München. Because this is small u, so München. So how do I know my city name in Japanese? Try to search Google and Wikipedia. Most of city you can change to Japanese language too, so you can see the katakana. Okay. Me also, if I don't know this city, I need to check how to pronounce. Sometimes if you really don't know, so try to search similar pronunciation or you can ask me too. Okay? So, menu, when you go to the restaurant, menu. Okay? Menu. Okay, new. Hi, Mongolia. Mongol. Milk. So we have milk and 牛乳, which is Japanese pronunciation. 牛乳 and milk. Both we can use. Okay, depends on the occasion. If you want to buy the milk, usually we say 牛乳. But like milk for the coffee or cake, milkshake, these things we say katakana milk. Okay, so how was it katakana? Let's finish all katakana, hiragana, and step up more. Okay, well done.